Today we're at Japanese home center called Jumbo Encho. Let's go inside and find some tools and car stuff in here. Jumbo Encho. Enter. Everybody in Japan has very little space. Not everybody has workspace. So they actually have a work center here until 5 o'clock. If you need to fix something, you can use the tools and tables. Sugoi. Look at that. You can borrow all the tools you need to fix whatever you want. Wow. Car supplies in Japan. Wow, look at the size of the cans. Double size. Wow. Wow. Whoa, oil comes in metal cans, not plastic. Whoa, totally different in the United States. Oil in metal container, not plastic. Whoa. Wow. Wow.
Be careful, né? Dry more.
Detailing supplies. Many different brands and types that we don't have. Windshield wipers. Fuses for all you base heads out there. Some wiring connectors. Portable power generators. Camping supplies. Yeah. $9.80 for your own little hibachi grill. 7-way multi-fire grill, $69. Sugoi. That's great. Japanese sink style is very different than US style. And integrated. Look how much bigger the bowl size is. You literally wash your head in your sink. And then kitchen sink. Man, I wish my kitchen sink was like this. Look at all the space. It's huge. It's like 3 feet wide. Although this whole kitchen unit prices out with the stove. And then you have yeah, I'm gonna buy some shoes. This little grill unit underneath. The whole thing like $5,340 for the whole kitchen unit.
That's 10,000.
No, it's not.
Okay.
This one here is 5,380. Must be the one that's in there. So you have a whole system there. It's like $10,000 for a complete kitchen with washing machine, everything built in. So this entire kitchen here, 4,600, 4,680. And look at the size of that sink. What the heck? Why do we not have sinks like this in the US? Look at that. Stainless all the way across the top. And everything runs off into the sink. So you don't have like rotting under the edge of your sink. What a better system. And then looks like here we have, yeah, dishwasher. Everything loads from the top. And all of your utensils. Man, it's nice stuff. It's not so cheap. Screen door.
Yeah, but doesn't
Slides.
it look like
So,
doesn't it look like a mirror to you, Dad?
no.
Or if you see it right
Okay.
here. As you look
Yeah.
through it, it looks like a mirror.
Tools in Japan. Wow. Some different style pipe wrenches. We don't have pipe wrenches like these kind of shapes. What? 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 Look at that. What? Now, I've seen some of these farm type wrenches. The pry device at the Tractor Supply, but yeah, these are way cool, man. Made in Japan, not made in China. But you're gonna pay for it. That one wrench is $31.80. Check out these channel locks. They have protector over the metal so you don't damage the surface. Double jointed ratcheting wrenches. Yeah, boy. You ever wonder why it's kind of funky to work on Japanese cars? Well, it's because they use a whole different collection of tools. That's right, see? That's a socket wrench with a T-handle built in. How cool is that? Get leverage on that. I see some Snap-on. I heard Snap-on's kind of popular here. But we have Tone. Tone brand. I'm guessing with the prices, must be decent stuff. It's not bad. You just move over 2 decimal points. So that socket right there says 1080, roughly $10.80, and that's before exchange rates, which dollar is in favor right now. Screwdrivers are protected so you don't electrocute yourself when you're working on electrical panels. Some badass nippers right there. It's no joke. See that? Fujiya, made in Japan. It's so hard to find stuff made in the USA anymore. But again, you know, made in Japan, you're gonna pay 35 bucks basically for a pair of nips. But I'm guessing that these guys are way better quality than most. Look at that. These look, man, I like those. Those are awesome. Snap ring pliers. Heck yeah. Need some wire cutters and strippers. 188 bucks. These guys are no joke. No joke, man. This is some hardcore stuff. JIS, which means Japanese Industrial Standard. Some awesome wire strippers here. And then we got the old school. Yeah, we have those in the US. Yeah. Cutters, but they like the handles to look like a gun grip here. not straight handles. Don't make anybody mad when they're doing construction with these tools. You're gonna lose a limb. Chisels for wood carving. It's 46 bucks for a single chisel. You know that's not a piece of crap. Wow, scissors. What the heck? What? Look at the size of these things. What? Wow. Wow. Now these guys, yeah, this kind of hammer I've wanted for a long time, and I think today I'm gonna buy one. Has a pry on one side, hammer on the other side. It's cool stuff. Don't have these, or at least I don't see them in the US very often. So wear safety goggles. This one's made in China. Can we find a made in USA? Nah, we should be alright with made in Japan. Yeah. Made in Japan. That's what I'm talking about. So one thing I noticed as I was traveling through Japan is every time I go in and out of a door, the door handles are different. And in the US, you always have to like grab onto a little knob in the middle, hold one hand, twist with your other hand. But in Japan, you can just go like this, and you can flip, 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 flip. I'm like, that's so wonderful. I'm gonna bring a door handle back from Japan. $24.80. What the heck? My house is gonna have a Japanese door handle in it, if it's up to me.